Welcome back, it's Jerry with the Half a Hootie. And you know we're always trying to save you time and money. And to save you today, we're going to save you some money but not having to call a plumber. We have a sink. As you can come in here and look, this sink here is an extremely slow or clogged drain in your sink. If you have an extremely clogged or slow draining sink, I highly recommend you use this product. It's called Thrift. We've used this in the apartment industry for many years without any issues at all. It opens up the pipes, and I'm going to show you how quick it's going to work. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn this on hot water. You want to get it good and hot. The drain is open, but as you can see, it's not draining fast. It is completely clogged up down there at the bottom. So you're going to fill that up with some hot water. Next, you're going to use this Thrift product. We're just going to dump a little bit in the bottom down here, about half a cup's worth in the bottom of the drain. And you're going to see how fast that this thing comes undone. Bam, all done. Now when that goes down, you're going to let that sit for a couple minutes to let it eat all the nasty that's down there. Once that is completely drained out and you've given it a couple minutes, go ahead and fill the sink up a couple of times with cold water and then push the drain and let it flush all of that completely out the system and let it get out of there. Now I will mention as a note, this is an acidic product. As you're dumping this in the hot water, you want to make sure that you either leave the room or you're wearing some protective gear so that you do not inhale the toxic fumes that may come in. But this does claim that it's completely safe on pipes. We've used it for a number of years without any issue, and I would highly recommend this product. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.